In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list to a document on Docusign. So let's dive in and get you set up with some easy steps that will help streamline your document management process. First, what we need to do is head over to the Docusign website, open up your web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Docusign. Docusign is a powerful tool recognized as a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, which makes it a go-to resource for businesses and individuals alike. Once you've landed on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log in. You should see a button labeled Login prominently displayed. Click on that and use your credentials to gain access to your Docusign account. If you don't have an account yet, you might have to take a moment to sign up before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This is your command center where you can manage all your documents, templates, and more. Once you're comfortable and have familiarized yourself with the home page, it's time to move forward. Continuing from here, go ahead and click on the option to access Docusign again if prompted. This helps ensure you're navigating through the most current interface. Next, let's focus on selecting a template. Templates are incredibly useful because they allow you to save time and increase efficiency by reusing document formats you've crafted previously. Browse through the available options and select the one that best suits the document you wish to add a drop-down list to. With a template chosen, the next important step is to add any necessary details. This might include filling in fields or adjusting settings that are crucial for your document's specific requirements. Take a moment to review your work and make sure everything is in place before proceeding. Once you're confident all the details are set, click on the Next button. This will guide you to the section where you can start editing your document more comprehensively. Finally, we're at the most crucial part of the process, adding the drop-down field. Look for the option labeled drop-down as you proceed through the document preparation interface. Clicking on this will allow you to insert a drop-down menu anywhere you need in the document. Customize the options that appear in the drop-down list to suit your needs, and just like that, you're ready to go. With these steps, you've successfully added a drop-down list to your document on Docusign. This feature is a great way to enhance document functionality and professionalism. Congratulations on getting through this process. If any of this seems a bit overwhelming, remember that practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.